Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? So, welcome back to our channel Hasi Story. So now my topic is Jamaluddin Afghani. Jamaluddin Afghani was a great scholar of the religion and Muslim philosophy. He believed that Muslims of the world should unite against the in those days. However, many Muslim countries were rebel against the Ottoman rulers. These countries included Egypt, Syria, Iraq, Arabia, and the countries of North Africa. Empire had become corrupt, and it was ruling the conquered countries with the injustice. People were so unhappy that they were asking the Europe countries to help them. However, the Ottoman emperors still declared to the caliphs, and Jamaluddin Afghani thought that instead of asking help from Europe, the Muslims should try convince their own kings to become better rulers. He also thought that Muslims should not demand independence for separate countries like Egypt, Sudan, and so on, but aim at forming one great Muslim world is the way used to be the times of early caliphs. Jamaluddin Afghani was a fearless person. Their appearance was critical. The something asked risked, and many people thought that by following his ideas they could recover their lost glory of Islam. However, his ideas were opposed by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in India and by other leaders who thought that these ideas were not practical and that each Islamic country should acquire independence separately. The need of reckoning of Muslim world being felt by his leaders and influenced from the beginning of 18th century. One of the earliest reforming or someone who tried to bring good chances in the society was Shah Waliullah of Delhi in South Asia. He pointed out that the Muslims of South Asia had stopped questioning and the spirit of understanding things in the life had faded away. The separate, he thought this was the reason for their downfall through his books and the written. He advised the Muslims to go back in the simplicity of the early days of Islam. He believed that it was the duty of every Muslim develop his own her own understanding of religion. There is no command in religion that does not have a purpose. He wrote in one of his books, we must try understand what his purpose is. The idea of Shah did not have great impact during in their own times. Perhaps people were not ready to change that they were still ruling countries and they were still healthy and prosperous. The countryist son of this wealth and purposely away, and many of Muslims realized that they must do something in order to be happy again. So guys, today our topic is completed. I hope you like our video and subscribe our channel Hasi Story, and see you on next video. Allah Hafiz.